Have you ever considered turning your knowledge into something that actually earns you money? Imagine sharing your skills with the world, making a lasting impact, while also generating a decent income at the same time. All right, everyone, I'm really excited today to talk to you about Thinkific. This could be a fantastic opportunity for you. So, if you want to sign up, the link will be right at the top of this video's description. So, as I mentioned in the introduction, it's basically a platform that transforms your knowledge into online courses. And the best part is, it's extremely user friendly, perfect for beginners, and you don't need any coding skills at all. It's all a really simple drag and drop system, as you can see here. You get to own all your content, branding, and pricing, rather than being stuck following someone else's rules. I'd also like to point out that it's trusted by over 35,000 customers, including ChargeBee, GoDaddy, and NASDAQ, right? This is everything you need. You can create courses, memberships, and all your digital products in one place. Thinkific is brilliant. They've thought of everything. It provides you with things like marketing tools, sales pages, and payment gateways. They handle all the boring bits for you to make things easier. They even provide you with analytics so you can get that crucial data feedback to help you grow and improve your business over time. Basically, if you're someone who just has a hobby or teaches a hobby, it takes you from doing that to a more professional level, actually turning it into a real business, essentially allowing you to monetize and make money from your passion. But hey, maybe you're not quite ready yet to build your own course platform, and that's perfectly fine. Maybe you just want to pick up a new skill quickly, see how it goes, and then decide what to do next. Skillshare is an online platform offering thousands of creative classes for you to choose from, ranging from design to illustration, entrepreneurship, and even photography. All the classes are taught by world-class creators and professionals. And the best part is, you actually learn by getting feedback from these professionals and creators, these educators, so you can keep improving your skills on Skillshare. They even allow your peers to give you feedback alongside those creators and professionals as well. And the best part is that right now, the first 500 people who use my link at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments will get 1 month of Skillshare for free. So we're in our account here, and honestly, there are just so many courses I want to take to really help scale up my business. But there was actually one in particular that really caught my attention, and that was Don't Lose Your Voice, Writing Well with AI. Because I bet some of you have probably noticed that when you copy and paste things or write using ChatGPT these days, people are starting to recognize how predictable it is. It's like, oh yeah, they wrote that with ChatGPT, and it sort of loses that human touch. I think that's really important for business, especially if you're someone who's writing emails and things like that. You use ChatGPT, but you don't want the other person to you still want to keep your own essence as a person. That's why I actually went ahead and started this course. Now, we're actually in the course here, and as you can see, the layout is really simple, all right? You've got the lesson section here. I'm actually up to number 4, letting the AI loose. Yeah, you've got all the different sections here, all right? You can earn a complete class badge by finishing all the lessons, which is cool, just to give you a bit more incentive to keep going with it, all right? There are review sections here as well, all right? So if you want to know a bit more about the class, all the information is here. You've got information about the teacher. You can follow them, save it, share it. Discussions, transcripts, reviews, of course, which is something I've already checked out, as you can see. Look at that, 100% revins. That's another reason, out of 5 reviews as well, why I actually started doing it. And look, all of this is like organic traction here, all right? So it's really good. The layout's just fantastic, and I can't wait to finish this course.
Next, I want to talk about what happens to our brains when we use LLMs extensively for writing. The fact is, we lose some of our ability to write well and to solve problems while writing. A study carried out by researchers at MIT found that students who were using LLMs to write essays.
Now, let's get back to the video. Another thing I really love about Thinkific is that once you've learned and mastered a platform, there are so many ways to easily monetize it and start doing it right on the platform. The idea that you can actually teach that skill to others in real time is pretty exciting. So essentially, you start off as a learner, if it's a new skill, and you can actually learn, then create, become a creator, become a professional, and monetize through that. You are going to be able to earn from your expertise. Now, there are just so many reasons why, for me, Thinkific truly stands out. You control everything, your prices, your course, what you choose to teach, and it just gives you the flexibility to connect directly with your students. So, in a nutshell, folks, Thinkific isn't just about building courses. It's about building a real knowledge business. As I mentioned, both platforms clearly do complement each other. Skillshare is a platform that basically allows you to learn at your own pace, anywhere and anytime. Thinkific doesn't just take care of you, it also supports your memberships and your community, so you can keep everything integrated and simple on one platform. This allows you to build those long-lasting client relationships that will endure for a lifetime. So, in a nutshell, folks, to sum up, if you have a skill, a passion you've had for a while, or a hobby, and you find yourself thinking, well, I'd love to be able to make some money from this one day, but you just don't really know where to begin, Thinkific is the platform for you. Come on here and actually use its tools to get started for real. That's if you've already got a skill, all right? And if you're just in the stage of wanting to, I suppose, try out a few different skills, that's where Skillshare comes in, all right? So both of those links will be right at the very top of this video's description and in the pinned comments. Get started today. You might as well sign up for both, because let's be honest, get started, get moving today. All the pricing and extra information will be there. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Start building that dream course. Alright folks, so guess what? The first 500 people to use my link in the description or scan the QR code will receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare, plus 20% off your first year. Get started today. Folks, I am thoroughly enjoying the course I'm taking at the moment, as you can see, and I'm really looking forward to trying out some others. So what you waiting for? Get involved and sign up to Skillshare. I'm telling you, it's absolutely worth it.